topics I'll cover today. Industry reports, program reports, create charts, create spreadsheets, and create alerts. Really starting with program reports, I'll shoot in here real quick. What you'll see very quickly is the fact that we have financial performance reporting access for public non-traded REITs, public non-traded closed-end funds, public non-traded BDCs. And one other part is alternative mutual funds. And I want to walk through the reports themselves. You can see here, it's all broken down by sponsor name, program name, status, right? Some of these are liquidated, right? So American Realty Capital, for example, had this PICO 2 REIT that is liquidated. We have that information in there. It's accessible. Maybe you want to use that from a historic comparative purposes. Whatever that is, you still have access to that. Obviously, it's already liquidated, so we don't have the most recent information as far as year-end 2018, for example. If this thing liquidated in 2017, there's no 10K filed for year-end 2018. However, you will see information for the most recent period prior to the liquidity event. But these two tabs, they're absolutely identical functionality with the exception of one thing. At the end, you have the option on this functionality to create a chart, right? Visual charts that you look at, you can print out, etc. But on Create Spreadsheets is exactly that. At the end, after you follow all the information, you generate a spreadsheet, right? So that's really important for those of you who create pretty elaborate, or maybe not elaborate, right? Maybe streamlined matrix that you want to keep up to date. This is a way for you to do it on an automated basis. You can save these reports and regenerate them. So you spend the time selecting your criteria and all on the front end. You can save the report, so every time you come in, you select your quick report. But you could click that in a matter of seconds. It spits out what you need in a very quick and efficient manner. Right. This is a way for whether you're an advisor, whether you're an analyst, whether you're a service provider, whatever it is that you do at your firm, this is a way for you to come in and set an alert. So, maybe you're tracking 100 different programs and you have one analyst at one broker-dealer and you have a million other things to do. But you having to review those or ongoing monitoring of these, you have a compliance obligation to do so. Right? So, yeah, you know what? You're going to get there. You just have to take a prioritized approach to it, an efficient approach. So what this allows you to do is set alerts that are important to you to be alerted anytime something that maybe is of significance to you. A couple of points before I actually show you the information. One is the fact that we have it available for REITs quarterly, BDCs quarterly, closed-end funds and alternative mutual funds semi-annual, and private placements monthly. Because the industry report is aggregating all of the individual program-level information and putting it into graphical form to get an idea of the industry as a whole. Private placements will start on March 2019. It gives you an idea. We break them out into categories. It's going to tell you the separate categories, how many activated month to date. So in the month of March, activations year to date, change year over year, offering amount month to date, year to date, 1031 breakdown as far as the sector, the details as far as year one, cash on cash, average and range, loan to value. And then we break out charts, right? How many programs activated, and then what's the offering amount year to date, and then prior years. Right, so very interactive information in the platform. And then we write insights, right? So we put some narrative information to the information that you see in the numerical. Plus, we're showing you the actual programs. These are the actual ones that activated, when they activated on the platform, and what the offering amount was. So non-traded REIT example here. This gives you an idea of the industry report on a non-traded REIT. Capital raise information, top 10s, year-to-date, new sponsors, property transactions, liquidity events, total capital raised by open and closed programs, broken out by sponsor as a percent, open programs including DRIP year to date, capital raised since inception, capital raised by the closed program, debt information again broken out between open and closed, weighted average interest rates, annualized distribution rates, distribution coverage charts, both open and closed programs, total AUM, and then you have a structure, strategy, and sector pie chart as well. So all of that on the REITs. Please contact Michelle Browning, mbrowning@aiinsight.com. Direct number is 415-636-0287. She's happy to set up a more formal tour to take our time, answer your questions. I greatly appreciate your time today. Thank you again very much.